This light kit includes 2 light bars, 1 holiday remote, 1 48-inch micro USB cord for command strips, and 4 screws. Charge light bars with the micro USB cord and a 5-volt 1-amp wall charger, not included. The battery indicator light will change from red to green when fully charged. Clean surface with rubbing alcohol. Remove green liner and press strip onto the back of the light. Press the 2 strips together until they click. Remove green liner. Press firmly for 30 seconds. Use screws for permanent installation. Locate the sites for the screws by measuring the distance from one keyhole slot to the other. Drive screws in and leave a 1/16-inch gap. Slide the light's 2 keyhole slots over the 2 screw heads. You can operate the light manually. On the fixture, press the button once for 4000K bright white, twice for auto mode, 3 times for rotating colors, 4 times to lock it into the desired color, and 5 times to turn the light off. To operate the remote, remove the plastic battery tab. On the remote, choose from 10 colors and 6 holiday presets. The Christmas tree button creates red and green. St. Patrick's Day shamrock, orange and green. Hanukkah menorah, blue and white. 4th of July star, red and blue. Halloween pumpkin, orange and purple. Valentine's Day heart, red and pink. Press Eco for the light to stay at 100% output for 5 minutes, 30% for 10 minutes, then turn off. Press 10 or 30 for the light to automatically turn off after 10 or 30 minutes. You can also dim and brighten the lights. In auto, the light turns on in the dark when the sensor detects movement within 15 feet and up to 100 degrees. It turns off after 20 seconds with no motion. Determine the motion sensor's direction using the rotatable sensor shield. For walk-by mode, the shield faces walking traffic. The light activates when someone walks by. For wave mode, the shield faces the wall. The light activates with a wave under the light. To recharge, simply detach light from surface. To permanently remove strips, slowly stretch them against the surface at least 6 inches.